So the human brain is a miracle. Running on barely 20 watts, which is 20 joules per second, it is capable of such amazing feats. It is why we all are here, right? But the problem with LLMs, large language models, is they need a planet's worth of energy, huge data centers consuming limitless energy. But there is a small algorithmic fix, a programmable fix, a solution to actually cut down the amount of energy any LLM or a chatbot or an AI system consumes while trying to answer your queries, that is, during inference. And that is the topic for today. So it's a very nice topic. How do you cut systematically, algorithmically, the energy consumed by LLMs to answer your question? Welcome to Billion Hopes. This is Sandeep Manudhane, mentor Sandy, bringing you AI for real impact. Let's start. Mixture of experts. So that's a very interesting name, right? Many experts working in tandem. So, where do these experts come from? Let's understand it from the very basic. This human brain here, consuming 20 watts of energy for an adult male, around 86 billion organic neurons, 100 trillion synapses, is an absolute miracle of evolution by natural selection. What happens in our beautiful brain, which we never see in our own lifetime, of course, is that different dedicated areas exist. So there is an area for vision, another for hearing, another for touch, another for cognition and thinking and higher level activities, blah, blah, blah. Whenever an input passes into the system, the brain system, the whole brain of 86 billion neurons around doesn't get activated. Only that subsection gets activated. So when the LLMs were designed, these giant neural nets were designed, the designers initially designed every input to be passed through the whole network. The whole network, made up of tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of neurons, would get activated, which is a complete waste of energy because most of them don't contribute anything in their activation. So, eventually, the designers of LLMs realized that we should just copy the nature's trick used in human brain and activate selected regions of the neural network depending on the nature of the input. Now, that's a far more complex topic, but basically activate selectively, thereby cutting the energy needed. This is what mixture of experts or MoE actually means. I hope you have understood it. Now, let's get into the deeper side with some beautiful charts. Before that, I invite you to join our channel, Billion Hopes. Of course, do subscribe to it. And if you click the join button, you will see 3 tiers. If you have liked the work, just a thank you note would be enough, which is level 1. But level 2 and 3 are interesting. Every Saturday, I bring an analysis of 10 of the hottest editorials and articles from around the world on AI. An absolutely unmissable thing. Go ahead and join. And if you're very serious, then once a month, 3-hour rigorous strategic review, which is level 3. Hope to see you in the various membership tiers. Thank you. So this is the human brain. And as we all know by now, that various sections or parts or segments of the brain get activated depending on the requirement at that moment. Despite all this, despite having very clear specialized sections, the brain works as one unit, and that is the beauty of it. So the LLM makers, the AI designers, wanted to copy this. This is also actually a branch called biomimetics. You look at nature, what nature did over 4.6 billion years on this planet, the miracles, and you try to copy whatever you can from nature. So this is also part of biomimetism, one can definitely say. So this is how the human brain works. And this is a typical giant large language model. As you can see, tens of thousands of artificial neurons, every neuron connected with every other. So it's a very, very energy hungry device. These are all mathematical constructs. So every input, if you wanted to pass through every neuron, you're actually making a very wrong design choice. And this is where the change actually started coming. So just like you saw in the brain, you had dedicated regions. So now you have dedicated sets of neurons, experts, expert 1, expert 2, expert 3, expert 4, expert n, which will get activated. That expert set of neurons will get activated depending on certain conditions. And so the rest of the network remains silent. So the energy consumption drops drastically. So this is how, using smart algorithms, we can actually cut down the energy consumed by AI. But then there is the Jevons paradox that when your overall system becomes more efficient, people end up consuming more and more of it. So let's keep that to the side. In some other video, I might cover that. So this is how mixture of experts actually works. So if you were to define it, it is a neural network architecture where multiple specialized sub models called expert handle different input patterns. As you can see, expert 1, 2, 3, n. So different sub models will handle different input. And so everything depends on the nature of the input. And so you have to define it ab initio, right from the start. And now, learned router activates only a few experts per input. So there are benefits. The first benefit is not all parts of the model have to run, so energy consumption goes down. Different experts become specialists in various tasks, language, code, reasoning. Now, we know that these are general models, right? So if you're using Opus 4.6, you largely use it for code, but you can use it for anything else also. So even a rather specialized LLM can do everything. And so within that, you can have these specialist experts, these smaller specialist experts. And third is your scaling performance becomes possible without linearly scaling the compute cost. This is exactly the brain model. DeepSeek first made this extremely popular in Jan-Feb 2025, when DeepSeek actually burst onto the world scene and everyone started looking at its publicly available model and the weights and the algorithms that are used, and it was put under intense scrutiny, which it passed with flying colors. Large scale MoE with fine grained expert routing and advanced load balancing. So, this first came from DeepSeek. And this is how the whole thing would look. Servam AI, India's own indigenous sovereign AI stack, also does the same thing. It uses MoE architecture in its large India Indic focus foundation models to balance cost, latency, and multilingual performance. So, which is creatable, which is very good, and let us hope that it's able to actually stand public scrutiny at a global level. So, this is how you can compare the brain with the mixture of experts. I hope now this concept is clear at a very basic level. And this is good, and more such algorithmic inventions will overall help optimize the energy requirements. So, this is how mixture of expert algorithmic trick mirrors how the human brain activates specialized smaller circuits for different tasks rather than engaging the whole brain. Otherwise, it would no longer be a 20-watt structure, it would be a 200-watt structure, which would be bad. We'll need to eat much, much more to just maintain the energy balance. So, before I say bye for this video, check out all the offerings we have. Wonderful Academy, where we have great courses. Many people benefited. Go ahead, enroll in the courses. Subscribe to this channel and our WhatsApp channel as well. And make sure you are subscribed to our twice a week newsletter, AI for Everyone. The subscription link is there. So that's about it from me. See you soon. This is Sandeep Manudhane bringing you AI for Real Impact.